I'll show you the car. I'll tell you things to know before buying car in UK, because there are a lot of things that you have to follow. You can pay the money, but you'll get the car also, but there'll be a lot of issues and there'll be a lot of problems before you buy the car. So it's very important. So things to know. Hi fam, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Maputo Mallu. Today I'm going to get my car, and it's Skoda Fabia 2011 model, and I'll tell you what all process, what all needs to be done, everything. It's late in the night, all this video will be in the night, and tomorrow I'll show you the in-depth detail about the car, because like I just came to know that they are giving the car today. They were doing the MOT, which is 1 year, and they just did the MOT, and they told that you can collect the car, and we are going there. And without further delay, let's get started. So fam, today I'm going with Bibin Chetan. Okay, he's like Bidin's brother. I'll just show you around. Hi.
Hi.
So it's a bit, the light is not that great, but he's Bibin, he helped me out in taking this car. Like we went around, we saw a lot of cars, and at the end he told, this is the one, Suju, you have to get it, and we are just taking it. Thank you, thanks a lot. So fam, we have reached over here. Finally the car is over here, and we are just getting inside to pay the money. Okay, I'll just get in, I'll show you the people. Okay. Hi guys. Just wave your hands, just say hi.
You alright?
Yeah. Bibin is like fully busy in transferring the money. He's the guy who gave us the car. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
No problem at all. You're very welcome.
And we have done the dealings. Everything is clear. Now we just have to go get the car, and that's it. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah. Right. Cheers.
Thank you very much. He's finally got his car.
So I finally got my car. I'm gonna drive, but I'm not able to drive today because I don't have the insurance. So Bibin will be driving. From tomorrow onwards, I'll be driving. Okay. Take care. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. So fam, I'm going towards the car, and let's see. Let me show you how the car looks, all those things. Okay. So fam, this is the car. Even my earlier Indian car is also in red color, and this is also red. Skoda Fabia 2011 model. Rest of the details I'll show you in the morning. So catch you soon. So fam, as I'm not able to take the car, my insurance starts from tomorrow. So Bibin Edna is taking the car. Thank you. See you in home. So he's taking the car, and Leah will also be going in that car. George Eden just got into his Benz, so George Eden came along with us. I'll show you once we reach over there. Leah, excited?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. So fam, we are going towards the home. Our house is almost like 4 miles, like 6 to 7 kilometers from here, and it's late in the night, and we are just driving. My insurance starts from tomorrow. That's why like Bibin Eden is driving. You already had in for Skoda Fabia, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, how was it like?
oh, it was a brilliant car.
Yeah, I think that's the reason like he suggested me to take this. Like he was telling like it gets good mileage and there's low maintenance, everything. That's why like he was forcing me to take. Like he suggested me to take. We went for a lot of cars. We saw a lot of cars. We saw some Honda Civic. We saw a lot of other cars also. But at the end, like we dropped in because the color is like superb. The engine is like Volkswagen's engine, and that's why we went for it. Okay, thank you, Eda. Thank you. Good luck. Good luck. Thank you. Thanks. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks for coming. Support Bye. Good morning fam. I was not able to show the car yesterday because it was night, and when I saw the clips like it was like not at all good. So I'll show you the car. I'll tell you things to know before buying car in UK, because there are a lot of things that you have to follow. You can pay the money, but you'll get the car also, but there'll be a lot of issues and there'll be a lot of problems before you buy the car. So it's very important. So things to know. Before that, I'll show you my car. Okay, so fam, this is my car, Skoda Fabia 2011 model. So fam, there are a lot of things that you should know before buying a car in UK, because the first thing is like you should have an insurance in your name. Like the driver's insurance is very important. It depends upon how many years you have stayed in UK and everything, because like if you have stayed in UK with UK license for a long time, the insurance will be less. But if you're new and you have just recently come, the insurance might vary from like 600 pounds to like 1000, 1500, 1900, and there are a lot of insurance which goes more than like 2000 pounds. So if you compare with India, it's like more than 2 lakh per month, per year. And there's one more thing that you have to take care is like if you're buying a car, you should have the insurance prior to that. Like if you're buying a car today, like at least yesterday or today from morning, like you should have the insurance, else you'll not be able to drive the car. I have quoted the insurance in different sites like confused.com. There's a lot of sites which help us to take insurance. So I have gone to different sites. I compared from different places, and I got a quote from like 22nd, and I was buying the car on 21st. So Bibin, like thankfully, like he was there with me. He came to me and he told Suju, "You are not allowed to drive the car." I told him, "Why? What happened?" He told, "If you're buying the car on that day, then the insurance should be there. Also, if you're caught, there'll be huge fine. There'll be a lot of issues." So what I have done, like I asked someone else. You have seen Georgette and Bibin and all have come because I didn't have the insurance. So first point to note, insurance should be there in your name, and who all is driving in that car, you can add their name like in the insurance list. Second thing, MOT. That is normally done every year. Okay, over here, like every year you have to get test your car. They will check the tire. They'll check everything about the car. Okay, so before buying the car, check if the vehicle is having the MOT. Third thing is like the tax. When I bought this car, the tax was already expired, and we are not allowed to drive. I didn't know that. Someone told me that you have to take the tax also. So I applied for the tax. When you check for the car's detail, like you will get to know. So my tax was like 20 pounds. So I just paid it, and it took like they stays like at least 5 working days to get it reflected in the system. It took me like 3 days. I applied on Saturday and I got it on Tuesday. Yesterday I got. So it takes 3 days, and that's how the tax system works over here. And one of the major questions that even I was searching in it was like whether you are able to drive in UK if you're coming from India or any other countries. Okay, whether you are able to drive in UK. Yes, you can drive for the first 1 year, but after 6 months, like you can take a provisional driving license. After 184 days, you can go to the DVLA sites. That's the driving license, all the vehicle related site. You can go to their site and you can register for provisional driving license. And that's only after 184 days. And of course, you can drive for 1 year. Be careful if something happens, that will be a big thing. So be careful, drive slowly, and all the road is having a speed limit. Like they'll mention like 30 miles per hour or like 40, 50. They'll be mentioning at each and every point. So take care, be careful about all the speed limits wherever you drive. That's very important. And the next thing is like the form V5. Over here is very easy to transfer a vehicle from one person's to other person's name. When I bought this car, they gave me a V5 form. They told me that you can go to online and you can register in your name. So you can go to the DVLA website and register for the V5 form. So take care. Okay, when you buy a car, check if it's in Cat C, Cat D or any other process. That is like if the vehicle has some wear and tear or some other problem. Okay, all those things you have to check. You have to check for the MOT. All those things you can check online. Everything is like online. There will be no problem when you buy a car. There are different websites over here where you can buy the car. Okay, you can go to Gumtree, which is a local search engine, like where you can go and check the car. You can go to Auto Trader and compare your vehicle, and you can get thousands of vehicles over there. And this Facebook Market also works pretty good over here. So you can go to Facebook Market also as well and check if the price is fine, all those things. And there'll be a lot of options, like there is a lot of brands, but check like which one you want before you buy. Okay, and payment, all those things like you can manage online or the cash payment, all those things that you can deal with them. Always ask if they have 2 keys. Okay, so that will be helpful when you sell this car or in the future or something. That will be very helpful. So fam, before closing the video, just to summarize, you should have the insurance in your name. There should be tax. There should be MOT. So these 3 things are very important when you buy the car. And I would really like to thank Bibin because he helped me out in buying this car. He came along with me. We went to different places to see different cars. We saw a lot of other cars also. So he spent his time. He had a lot of patience, and he they checked the service history, the history book, all those things where the service has been done, everything. Like he has done everything. So I would really like to thank Bibin. And thanks a lot, guys. If you like this video and if you want more such videos or some other contents from UK, put your comments down. And thanks for watching. Maputo Mallu signing off.